Hello guys, I am Birpal and today I am going to cover one very effective intraday strategy for intraday traders. So let's begin. So it is quite simple. I will not make it quite tough for the traders because I know trader likes to have a very simple and a straight strategy. So let's come to the point. It's quite simple and we just take two moving averages. One is the least square and we will take it a default value, that is 25, and the another moving average we will take is whole moving average. So its default value is 9, but we will take the value 50. So these two moving averages, the blue one is the least square, 25 period moving average for the least one, and the whole moving average is the red colored moving average that is shown into your chart, that is 50 days whole moving averages. And the indicator we will use for the confirmation is that is available in the name of no sure things. So we will take the default values as it is, so we will not change anything in this. And let's begin with the live examples. So let's take the example of today's Bank Nifty. So it is given, the strategy is quite simple. The strategy is simply saying that there is a crossover coming into the market, then we have to create a buy position. When it comes to the downside, we have to take a sell position. So the strategy is quite simple. When the crossover on the downside is coming, we have to check that whether the KST is also on the downtrend or not. So if the both crossovers match, so we will take a sell position in this Bank Nifty. So here on 14th of September, there is a crossover coming around 10:20 a.m. in the morning. So after that, you see there the crossover coming around 22,600 approximate level. But after that, you see on the intraday it fall up to the level of 22,044. So almost 550 points, almost, or a 600 point fall, sharp fall in the Bank Nifty on the basis of this crossover signal. So that crossover tells us that when the candles start forming inside the blue line or a red line, it's suggesting that the trend is now going to change the direction on the either side. Like if you take an example of today, that is around sorry guys, that is around 15th of September. It is around 2:20 today. So almost a crossover happened around 2:25, and the same time the signal when the whole moving average and the least square moving average crossover come, the same time the KST, I name it a KST, no sure things indicator, it's a short form of saying KST. Same time the crossover coming on the KST indicator, and after that you see there is a big jump. It come around 22,060 and it went up to the level of 22,500. So almost 250 point move in the Bank Nifty. So it's quite good for an intraday trader, and that is on a 5-minute chart. So it's simply suggesting that there is no hack, no pain, nothing. It is quite simple and you make a very good amount of money. So let's get back to some different dates, and we see there is an crossover coming around 240, and the same time the crossover came on KST and as well as on the moving averages. So it's quite simple. The crossover come around 22,300 and it went up to 22,500. So almost 200 point jump for intraday traders. It's like juice. So I think hope you like this video. In my coming session, I will also share more information on intraday trading. Thank you so much for giving your time. Thanks a lot. Thank you.